What's up YouTube? Alex here, and we're gonna be replacing motor mount on a Chevy Cobalt LS 2007. This goes for all Chevy Cobalts from 2005 to 2010. Basically what you want to do to take the motor mount, which is down here, is take the air filter box, unplug the mass airflow sensor right here. You want to unscrew this so the hose could come out, and then you want to take out the 5 bolts that are holding the motor mount on the motor. You also want to have a jack stand, a jack to hold the weight of the engine, because if you do it without the jack, what's gonna happen is you're gonna take out the motor mount, and then this side of the engine is gonna go down. So that's why you need a jack. It's basic tools. You don't need anything specifically. Just take this off, take that off, and put it back in. These two, 1 and 2 down here, are 18. Okay, so we just finished taking out the nuts that were here. Like I said before, this is 15 right here, and these two right here are 18. So what you want to do is basically just put the 18 right there. This one might be a little bit harder. What you want to do is probably use a breaker bar. That's why I have a breaker bar here. This would be good for that right there. Try to remove this nut. After that's done, it'll easily come off like that. As you can see, all the oil that was in here leaked out. This happened yesterday, and look how much it's all dirty. Both mounts are by hydraulics, so it has oil inside. Apparently this one blew out. As you can see, all the oils here it leaked. Now let's come and compare both of them. Now this is the one I got at Advanced Auto. What you want to do is compare both of these, both of the mounts. Check if they're both the same in every way you can find. They should all be the same. Everything looks the same. Let's put this in here. It should fit perfectly. As you can see, the engine is a little bit low, so that's why you want to have the jack so you can lift it. You want to lift the engine. I'm gonna lift up the jack so the engine could go up. Alright, see how it sits a little bit more better? That's what you want. I'm gonna lift it a little bit more. As you can see, the bottom part fits perfectly on this, which is a good sign. Now what you want to do, put back the bolts that you took off. It's the same thing, simple. What you want to do, put these back. Real simple right there. Now we're gonna do the exact same thing. Make sure to snug it. You want to do the same on the other side. Alright, that's good. Now for this one, you want to put a little bit of thread locker blue to prevent vibrations. Right now, what I'm gonna do is torque these nuts right here. I'll tell you right now what's the exact torque foot-pounds for these two. Okay, so I just finished torquing these down to 74 foot-pounds. These two you want to torque down to 74 foot-pounds. These three right here you want to torque down to 37 foot-pounds. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. Like I said before, you want to use a little bit of thread locker blue and put just a little bit. Put it. Now, thread locker blue will prevent any vibrations to these bolts that you put in. It'll prevent that, and it'll help you take these bolts a little bit more easier next time you have to replace them, which is a good thing. What do you want to do? Just put them in here. You want to do this by hand first. Or you can use this. Alright. And snugged in all the way. This one's snugged in all the way too. This one as well. Now what do you want to do is use your torque wrench and torque these down to 37 foot-pounds. You might want to use an extension for this. Okay. Alright, that one's good. That one's good. That one's good. There, job is done. That's how you replace an engine mount. Now what you want to do is put back everything you took off, and you're good to go. Alright, now what you want to do to finish this is put back your air filter box. Put back the bolts, the nuts that were here. Put back the nuts. Fix this hose. Make sure that this goes all the way around. Make sure there's no gaps or anything like that. Screw this back in and connect this. Make sure it clicks every time you take this off. Make sure it clicks. Make sure this fits perfectly. There's no gaps or anything around that. Check. Then put the nut. The washer. And put the nut. Too far or too hard. Seems good. Seems good. And that's how you replace a motor mount on a Chevy Cobalt LS. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and like my video for more videos on repairing Chevy Cobalts. Thank you.